उन्होंने जो बोल दिया
शुरू हो गया। Hello class, very good evening and warm welcome to the MBBT course that you all here for today. My name is Simranjit Singh. I will be your trainer for next few days, and so we will be meeting each day, same time, same place, same YouTube streaming uh, most of the time. And could you just let me know if my voice is fine, picture quality is okay, buffering is fine so far. Um, please confirm me with thumbs up if all is good, if all is coming fine. A very good evening, everyone. Okay, sounds good, sounds great, sounds great. Just try to increase your what you say, the pixel quality to the maximum. Maybe it could be better. So we wait till 5 p.m., let everyone join it. So we keep this every day 15 minutes of time gap so that everyone could be joined by 5 p.m. Then we can start with it. Today I will be taking your introductory class, just telling you what you have to do, everything. And beyond that, we will be dealing with your review paper, how to write it, what should be the format for the same, and how some students have published it very successfully. So we will deal with all these parts today. And yeah, very good evening, very good evening. I apologize if you hear a lot of sounds from the background, from the honking and all this, because I was somehow out of state from Delhi. So I just hacked my uncle's aunt's house, which is besides the road. So just try to compensate. Just concentrate on my voice and slides, and that's it. My voice is low. Okay, I hope it's better now. I have to hold this, I think like this, so things will be better. Awesome. So, okay, because at the moment I'm speaking at my low level pitch, but as soon as the project starts, I will make sure that my voice is up. Blurry might be your screen is to be, you have to make higher output, like go into settings and go quality and make it to 480p. Then you can make it better. Just try that thing. Good evening, very good evening. So today I will be dealing with your basics of molecular biology actually, because before we start with something extraordinary, our basics needs to be clear, whether it's a cell or anything. So I will try to clear those concepts for you today. So I am I was lucky to get uh, this much speed today. So I hope our streaming will not be disturbed. Please hit like the video, and and everything seems good, I guess. Yes, students. So we will provide you all the presentations that we have that we will be going through. So all will be provided to you. So that will be not a problem, no issue in that. So whatever we will study, they will be provided to you. So we in the Edufabrica, we will try our best to to teach you each day something new, something unique, something extraordinary that you can take it as a home for your own intellectual ideas, for your own knowledge. So that will be our first aim. So that it's just not any regular workshops where you just come and just sit down and you have nothing. You just the trainer comes and he speaks and you just let it go and things goes off. So our task here is to get things done in a way that all the knowledge that we have here related to all the molecular biology techniques and biochemistry techniques. So we provide both of you within a good package so that by the end of this workshop, you are familiar with these techniques which were you might be not known before, and I try to summarize as much as possible, like to compact the whole Wilson and Wicks, the famous books, the e-book that we have, uh, this one. Sorry, Wilson and Walker. So Keith Wilson and John Walker. So I try to make your syllabus with the help of this book, so that it's one of the famous book that you will be familiar with whenever you have to study about molecular technology and biochemistry techniques. So most of your content has been prepared with the help of this book actually. So let's wait for next 3 minutes, then we start with our lectures.
फिर बीच अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना
कैमरा चलो
कैमरा ऑफ करना ये निकाल करके अच्छा नहीं
नहीं okay. Let's try
अच्छा
YouTube पे
हाँ समझिए बढ़िया बढ़िया फिर ਉੱਥੇ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਾ YouTube ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਹੁਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਹੁਣ 1.5-2 ਘੰਟੇ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਹੀ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਕੰਮ 5 ਵਜੇ ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋ ਕੇ 7:30 ਵਧੀਆ
फिर 8 ਤੋਂ 10
ਕੋਈ ਫਿਰ ਚਾਹੇ ਰਾਤ ਦੇ 12 ਵੱਜ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਦਾਲ ਸਬਜ਼ੀ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਈਏ ਰੋਟੀ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਖਾਣੀ ਕੁਛ ਬਣਾ 7 ਵਜੇ ਖਾਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੋਟੀ 7 ਤੋਂ 8 ਦਾ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਟੀ ਤਾਂ ਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਸਿਮਰਨ आता नहीं तो बिस्कुट लेना पूछता नहीं
मैं बारह आए 12
बिस्कुट ना ना फ्रॉम पहले हाँ आ तो फिर जाएंगे ये हमारे जैसे अपनी वास्ता भी जाने लगी गल है ना अपन
So students, would you like to have some cup of coffee or biscuits? So my aunt was providing so that I could have energy later. Yes, yes, I will provide you the book for sure. So it is written in our package that book will be provided to you. Uh, so no worries about it. Shall I share the book? Uh, shall I share the book now with you or later by the end of the sessions? What do you suggest? So shall I share the books now? Is the voice okay now? Voice is fine. So your class will be till 7:30, but we will see each day how much we have to do. If it is we are finished early, we will finish early. If we are late, then we can late also. So okay, at end of the session, I will provide you the book. Now, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Later, sir, yes, sir. Now, sir, voice okay, sir. Okay. Uh, Sorry, at the moment it's at 480p, but I will try to increase it in future because for the moment, if I have to play presentations with you, so in that case, it's okay. Okay, I share the book with you now. It's no problem. So you will have a lot of content from us during these presentations. Um, So this is the book called Principle and Techniques of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, 7th edition, Wilson and Walker. It's an e-book. So all good. So before we start, let me explain you a few things. Firstly, let me tell you about assignments. So yeah, I will send everything on Telegram. No worries. Uh, okay. Oh no. Control your messages. It's too much for me. Okay. Uh, so before we start, let me explain you two things. First is assignment, and second thing is review. So assignment is meant for the all the students. It's not compulsory. Remember that. You can do it if you want. So in assignment, what you have to do is you have to write a short summary in just 2 pages of what you have done from the workshop in all, so that you can have a summary for yourself whenever you have an interview or an exam or anything related to the MBBT type. You could know that okay, you have learned these techniques and you have a short summary of these techniques with you in that way. So please try to make 2 copies of your internship or 2 copies of your assignments, each day summary in a nutshell. So I will I will write this also, and I will tell you this on Telegram in a written form how you have to do it. Second thing is, person students who have opted for internship, uh, what they have to do is within these 10 days from today onwards, you have to write a review article. So a review article needs to be. First thing was assignment, which is not compulsory, which you have to write every day, a 2 page summary and send it to me via email. so that we can have confirmed that you have done your things done. So this is the review format. So just check it out. So first should be your title page, then title, your name, date, abstract. So it should contain approximately around 200 to 300 words. It includes a summary of the review questions, primary study reviewed, and conclusion of the study. Note that you should not cite reference in the abstract. So take care of all these things in abstract. Then in introduction, write the topic of the study which serves the identification sentence. It should indicate that what article contains, clearly outline the order in which you have to subtopic the discussion part in the reader background information so that we can understand it very well. Then comes the body, then comes the conclusion, then the literature cited. So all these parts should be included in your review format when writing a review. So from my previous workshop, so many students have done this job in very, very well manner. So very well manner. So here you can see that students have written on the variety of topics of assignments. So some of them I can maybe open for you. Nano-based targeted drug delivery system, abstract, introduction, then some diagrams, all about it. Yeah. So references, so like this. You have to see how you have to make it best for yourself. So I can share the review format with you, and yes, the topics. Uh, I will share later. No worries, you can have it. So topics for the internship are as follows. You can choose following topics like gene therapy, RNA interference, genome editing, drug delivery, DNA synthesis, stem cell research, maturation of sperm cells, genetic engineering, monoclonal antibodies, cancer cell research, primary cell and transfected cell lines, cytokinase growth factors, cellular processes with growth to achieve appropriate size. So you can choose any of these topics, or you can choose your own topic also. So it's up to you. It's freedom for you, so whichever you want to choose. So I will share both these documents with you now on the Telegram. Uh, Topics for the internship, and I will share the format also with you. And about group, you can make a group of 5 people, you can make a group of 2 people. It's up to you how you want to make it. You can make also you can do it on your own also if you want to do it. And my email addresses I will write on my Telegram. So it's okay. Just go through them whenever you got a chance. Just read through these topics. So I have shared them on the Telegram, so you can have it view over it. Okay, I can share one review sample for you for all students one more time, and I also share the same thing. Yes, the references that you are writing, from there you have to write it, like, just wait a second. So somebody, two students of mine from the previous workshop, they wrote it in this format, parallel format. So I like it, but it's up to you if you want to go for it or not. So here is like your topic, then person's name, your people, from where, which groups you belong. Then comes the abstract, where it tells in 200, 300 words each summary of your topic. Then comes your introduction, where you have to explain whatever the things that you're seeking for, your question is, your hypothesis is, or all the done things has been done in that field in the past, in the present, and in the future. How things are happening in that field. So you have to tell about past, what has been done, what is going in the present, and then explain in the future what things could be done. So something like that. And then is comes conclusion from all these topics. Then comes the references of them. So like this, I can share this one with you in the Telegram topic. So I can share many actually. So I will share the best. Some more maybe. So this was also a good example, deciphering the secrets of cancer stem cell niche, abstract, introduction very nicely done, cancer models. So one diagram about that, figure, patents, role of niche, um, a lot of references are there. I can see a very nice diagram is coming up. So it's all in all like a nice package. So at the end, you can have it. So I will share this with you also, specifying the. So that was about review. As of now, I hope things are clear. So you can write it individually or you can write also in the group. It's up to you. But I will prefer to work in group. Actually, you will learn how to work in a team and do things in together. So that would be nice to do so. So it's a review article. Rather, the video call. बच्चे, go into your settings and make it to 480p. that might be the reason. Try to increase your uh, because this is all very small at the moment. So I'm sharing each thing, whatever I shared with you. So each thing is being shared on the Telegram. So I had shared mainly with you. Just go, if you go through your Telegram, just open your Telegram, students, please. So I have shared one book with you so far, Principle and Techniques of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. Second is I shared the topics for internship. Then how to write a review I had shared already. Then I shared two reviews, so far the best ones, as an example. So you can join it. So maximum 6 students can join the review, and go for it. Minimum two as a group could join it. It's up to you. Just try to be flexible, so that the outcome is excellent. Your outcome needs to be excellent. Just try to make sure that whatever you're doing the best out of it. Okay, I will try to zoom in next time, because there are so many questions are coming out, so it's very hard to answer each of one of you. So, but we are trying our best to take the questions. So about the assignment, so there are two things: assignment and review. Assignment is only you can send me also at the end of the workshop, or you can send me each day when the workshop is over. So whatever the projects, workshops, presentations I will be sharing with you, you can send it to me on that day, or you can send it to me later. So each day if you send me, I will highly appreciate, because this will be really good for you to keep a record of the things. Yes, it has to be without plagiarism. So no plagiarism, because I want you to publish that part. So I will also share with you some review articles where you can publish them for free in free journals according to your specificity. So me and my there is one of colleague of mine. Okay, just wait. I will share the review articles where you can publish them for free on later part. And something more about me, who am I? Myself, Simranjit Singh, a medical doctor professionalism. Um, as per my studies, I had done my bachelor's from Shahidul Singh College in BTech in biotechnology. Then I went for my master's in Eustace Libbey University, Gießen, MSc Agrobiotechnology, where my thesis of my topic was identification of novel endothelial specific molecules involved in the regulation of the tumor cells extravasation. So I worked with the metastasis at that time. Then I went for my PhD in the next year in April at the Institute of Pharmacology and Toxicology at the University Medical Center Göttingen. It's also in Germany, where my topic was related to the redox regulation of EP1 and ER stress regulation of connective tissue growth factors in cardiomyocytes. So afterwards, I came back to India, and where I joined assistant professor as a Mata Gujri College, where I was teaching plant biotechnology, principle of genetics, and principle of cytogenetics. Then also I was a research assistant during that time in the University of Göttingen during my PhD time. And also I had experience. So from July onwards, in 2020, I've been an online professor with Edufabrica, where I have been giving workshops of molecular biology techniques, creating a state of art for the online video lessons. So So that's something about me. I have also published one paper in Science, in the scientific reports, where the article topic was a reduced activity of PP1 alpha under redox stress conditions as a consequence of glutathione mediated transient disulfide formation. So, so all these topics have been covered. Uh, so this is something a little bit about me. And if you have any questions pertaining to going outside for studies, for your masters, please contact me. I will be very happy to share my own experience that I had and what are the difficulties that I have faced so that you will not face them. So you can ask me anytime on my WhatsApp. I can try to explain them